Google just unveiled something that's been creating serious waves in the AI community. And after diving deep into the technology, it's clear this isn't just another incremental update. Meet Gemini 2.5 Flash Image, and this represents a fundamental shift in how AI understands and generates visual content. The nickname NanoBanana has an interesting origin story that tells us something about how the AI community operates today. For weeks, developers and AI enthusiasts were seeing image outputs circulating online that didn't match anything they recognized. The quality, the consistency, the way these images handled complex physics and maintained character identity across multiple generations, none of it aligned with existing tools. Speculation ran wild. Forums buzzed with theories about secret models, leaked prototypes, and underground AI systems. Even Demis Hassabis, co-founder and CEO of DeepMind, was dropping cryptic hints on social media, posting microscopic banana memes that seemed completely random at the time. The community latched onto these clues, and NanoBanana became the unofficial codename for whatever mysterious system was producing these remarkably sophisticated images. Turns out it was Google all along, working on what would become their most capable image generation model to date. The secrecy wasn't just marketing. Google was clearly aware they had something special and wanted to perfect it before the official reveal. To appreciate why Gemini 2.5 Flash Image represents such a leap forward, we need to understand what made previous AI image generation systems fall short. Traditional diffusion models like Stable Diffusion and DALL-E variants excel at creating aesthetically pleasing images, but they operate more like sophisticated pattern matching systems. They understand visual relationships and artistic styles, but they lack deeper comprehension of how the physical world actually works. Gemini 2.5 Flash Image changes this fundamental limitation by integrating with Google's broader Gemini knowledge base. This isn't just about generating prettier pictures, it's about creating an AI system that genuinely understands the three-dimensional world, physics, materials, and object relationships in ways that previous models simply couldn't grasp. When you ask it to show you the back of an iPhone, it doesn't just flip and modify pixels. It actually generates what the rear of that specific device should look like, complete with accurate camera lens arrangements, the precise placement of the Apple logo, the correct proportional relationships between components, and even realistic materials and lighting interactions. This level of world knowledge integration is unprecedented in image generation. Perhaps the most significant advancement is in character consistency, a problem that has plagued AI image generation since its inception. Anyone who's tried to create a series of images featuring the same character knows the frustration. Each generation drifts slightly, faces change subtly, styling shifts imperceptibly, and by the fourth or fifth image, you're looking at what appears to be a completely different person. This inconsistency has been a fundamental barrier to using AI for storytelling, marketing campaigns, educational content, or any application requiring visual continuity. Gemini 2.5 Flash Image essentially solves this problem. Early testers have demonstrated generating dozens of images featuring the same character across vastly different environments, lighting conditions, poses, and scenarios while maintaining perfect identity consistency. The implications go far beyond just technical achievement. Content creators can now develop visual narratives with confidence. Marketers can create comprehensive campaigns featuring consistent brand characters. Educators can develop visual learning materials with recurring figures that students will recognize and connect with. The barrier between having an idea and executing a multi-part visual story has dropped dramatically. Traditional photo editing requires mastering complex software interfaces, understanding layers, masks, selection tools, and numerous technical concepts that create barriers for many users. Gemini 2.5 Flash Image introduces a completely different paradigm, prompt-based editing through natural language descriptions. Instead of selecting specific pixels or drawing masks around objects, you simply describe what you want changed. Remove the person in the background, change the sky to stormy, make the car blue instead of red, add reflective sunglasses to the subject. The AI understands these requests at a semantic level, meaning it's not just manipulating pixels, it's comprehending the objects, their relationships, and the logical implications of your requested changes. This approach proves particularly powerful for complex edits that would challenge even experienced photo editors. When asked to add reflective sunglasses to a portrait, the AI doesn't just overlay generic sunglasses. It analyzes the background environment, calculates appropriate reflections based on the scene's lighting and composition, and renders accurate reflections of the surrounding environment in the lenses. That level of environmental awareness and physics understanding was previously impossible without extensive manual work. One of the most impressive demonstrations of Gemini 2.5 Flash Images capabilities involves its understanding of real-world physics and material properties. When you ask it to modify reflective surfaces, transparent materials, or complex lighting scenarios, it doesn't just apply generic effects, it calculates physically accurate interactions. This physics comprehension extends to more subtle interactions as well. Modify the time of day in an outdoor scene, and the AI doesn't just change the sky color, it recalculates shadow directions, adjusts the quality and temperature of light across all surfaces, and even modifies the atmospheric perspective for distant objects. These are the kinds of details that separate amateur photo manipulations from professional work, and the AI is handling them automatically. Beyond technical accuracy, Gemini 2.5 of Flash Image demonstrates sophisticated understanding of artistic styles and aesthetic consistency. In testing, it successfully took historical photographs and modified them while maintaining the original's vintage aesthetic qualities. Adding modern elements to 1950s advertisements, for example, resulted in additions that matched the original's grain structure, color palette, lighting quality, and even the subtle imperfections that give historical photographs their authentic character. This style consistency works across multiple directions. Transform a photograph into an anime-style illustration, then into a 3D render, and finally into an oil painting. The core identity and character features remain recognizable throughout each transformation. This suggests the AI has developed internal representations of identity that transcend specific visual styles, a remarkable achievement for pattern-based learning systems. The practical applications for businesses are extensive and economically significant. Product photography, traditionally requiring expensive equipment, professional lighting, and skilled photographers can now be supplemented or replaced with AI generation. Upload a single product image and generate multiple angles, different environments, various lighting conditions, and even lifestyle context shots showing the product in use. The restoration and enhancement of historical content represents yet another significant application. Old family photographs, damaged historical documents, and faded artwork can be restored, colorized, and enhanced with remarkable accuracy. The AI's understanding of historical periods, appropriate color palettes, and era-specific details means these restorations maintain historical authenticity rather than applying modern aesthetics inappropriately. Gemini 2.5 Flash Image represents more than just technological advancement. It signals a fundamental shift in the relationship between creative vision and technical execution. The traditional barriers of software mastery, technical knowledge, and resource requirements are dissolving, democratizing sophisticated visual content creation in ways that seemed impossible just a few years ago. For professional designers and content creators, this technology serves as a powerful creative partner rather than a replacement. It handles technical execution while freeing human creativity to focus on conceptual development, artistic direction, and strategic thinking. The speed and accessibility enable rapid prototyping and iteration that can enhance rather than diminish the human creative process. Educational applications are particularly promising. Teachers can create custom visual materials for any subject, bringing abstract concepts to life through tailored imagery. Students can visualize their ideas and stories without requiring artistic skills or expensive software. The technology democratizes visual communication in ways that could transform how we teach and learn. Google's Gemini 2.5 Flash Image represents a genuine milestone in AI development. This isn't just about generating better images. It's about creating technology that understands the world in ways that enable new forms of human creativity and expression. The combination of world knowledge, character consistency, natural language editing, physics understanding, and creative capability, all delivered at unprecedented speed and affordability, creates possibilities that didn't exist before. We're witnessing the emergence of truly collaborative AI, technology that enhances human creativity rather than simply automating existing processes. The invisible SynthID watermarking ensures transparency about AI-generated content, addressing important questions about authenticity and provenance as these tools become more sophisticated. The global availability, including immediate European access, demonstrates Google's commitment to responsible deployment of powerful AI capabilities. This technology is available now not as a distant promise, but as a working tool that anyone can access and experiment with. The question isn't whether AI image generation will transform creative work. It already has. The question is how quickly we'll adapt our creative processes, business models, and educational approaches to take advantage of these new capabilities. The era of effortless visual creation has officially begun, and Google has just raised the bar significantly for what we should expect from AI-powered creative tools.